It's gonna go mount over on that post. We need a PC there.
Cut it into 2 pieces so that we can hang this. Okay, not going very fast.
You know there's a metalworking shop across the street.
Sound is changing.
Oh, way to go. Let's see. Oh, I see the veins popping in your head.
Oh, this is the vertical side. This is the horizontal side.
You need to get the bike grease?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on, I'll go get it.
Oh, Polylube 1000. Nice, assembly lube. Okay, so that's the top. Nice. Put these 3 in first. I think that's pretty good. Oh boy, this is so wrong. Now this goes in here. It feels really nice.
It feels
Any
good.
complaints?
It's a little...
There's an O-ring there. Oh, dude! I got it.
Yeah?
Yeah, look at this. Here's why. Like you can see the inner bore, it needs to seat all the way down here and catch on this O-ring, and I clamped it there, flush with the first ring.
See, I see. There is an O-ring on there, it just needs to be...
You need to actually engage it. There it is. Now it's seated.
Yeah, okay, now it's fully tapped down. The distance between the bottom edge of the swing arm shaft and the bottom edge of the rotary swivel must be 21.5 plus or minus half a millimeter.
Okay, 1-0. I think that's going to be good enough for me.
21 point...
Getting this thing through here is not
Carl,
easy.
would you say that it's worth a few $100s for you not to do this?
I don't know. I don't know. Got it. And then this goes right here.
Oh, that was close. 1 centimeter of tolerance.
I'm not sure if I designed it that way.
You got lucky.
That is sexy.
That was angle ground by like a 47-year-old German man. Or woman.
I'll do the other. That was a lot easier. Thank you.
Is it because the bike grease was on there?
Yes.
It barely fits through there.
Oh man.
Should we put that on the wall then?
Final level we'll have to actually do before we tighten everything. Oh yeah.
I mean, none of the rest of this building is level, so we might want to eyeball.
The arm will be level.
The arm will be level. We could do it with our hand.
This thing is not going anywhere.
Yeah, I checked that. That was the first thing.
All right. Yeah. It's like IP69K except for. All right. Nice.
Let's call it good enough. We can come back to it. And it's like an inch off the column in either orientation. It's very pretty.
Well planned.
Give us a review.
Oh, that's clean. Very nice.
Already got
Yeah, that's nice. Cool. So is this what you...